That's what you said. Your words.
No.
Your words.
I was involved with a woman that had a long body count.
What do they call it?
She had a body count from here to Georgia.
What was
I supposed to do, Charles?
You don't want a short.
She had a body count from here to Georgia, Charles.
You don't
what
want
was I supposed to do, Charles?
Man. Okay, let's get back to this.
I did not know I should have tied a board to my back instead of falling in. Charles, I was a victim of abuse.
Before you reduce this to
victim shame.
Hold on. So when you said that usually it's the absence of a father that leads to a, that's not true. I mean, you make up stuff, you do a good job at it, but typically when men grow up to be violent with their partners, excuse me, it's because they witnessed it in the home, whether it was their biological father or another man.
Get some water, because you're choking when you start lying, but go ahead on. Ex-police officer, let me ask you a question. How many times did you ever go to a domestic violence scene and she called the police because he was beating on her? But the minute you pull out the handcuffs, you become the enemy.
Oh, let me tell you something. Okay, on night shift in Houston in the 90s, in South Houston, you would do domestic calls from 9:45 when you came to work till midnight, and then it'd start to be drunk car accidents after that. I literally saw an officer, Eddie Martin, I saw he handcuffed the husband who was beating the woman. I remember the apartment. This happened in like 1996. I remember the 801 South Allen Genoa. I can tell you the address of the apartment complex. I can tell you. This woman picked up a broomstick, and while Officer Martin is handcuffing the husband that just beat her up, she called the police for us to come out here, right? She picks up a broomstick and starts beating Officer Martin. I had to take the broomstick away from her and put the handcuffs on her. I have seen so many, and see, they changed the law while I was a policeman. Used to be, if the victim said, no, I don't want him to go to jail, you couldn't even put him in jail. Or if she went down to the station and said, I want to drop charges, you had to drop charges. And in the 90s, while I was an officer, they shifted it to make the state the complainant, to take away from women the ability to drop the charge. So, I mean, look, it's very commonplace.
I've had a number of women, literally 4 or 5 a month, that have called my office. The man is currently in jail for beating the hell out of them.
And she wants the charge dropped.
And they want me to help them do everything under the sun to get those charges dropped. But yet they admit he was beating the hell out of them, Charles. Well, this is a sick mindset that's been produced in this country, man.
But really, what's the solution, right? I mean, we need to be more aggressive with the impermissibility of physical violence in the home, right? Directed between the man and the woman, right? But we also need to do so much more